we are here with Puneet, who is from Goa. And before we start with his interview round, let's hear about himself. So, Puneet, over to you. Just give us a brief introduction about yourself.
Hi, hello everyone. Hello, ma'am. My name is Puneet Pandrekar. I am from Goa. I'm a professional. I'm an engineer in electronics and telecommunication. Presently working in Goa itself.
Okay, great. Right. So, Puneet, I would want to ask you that, how did you I'm, facing a lot of issues with Avalokan. Like, people are getting confused it with, English, and people are feeling that, people are not able to absorb what is Avalokan. How did Avalokan come in notice for you? And how did you join this class? Tell the viewers.
Okay, it was a simple thing. I was being transferred to the sales department in the same company. Uh, Certainly I was analyzed by my boss, and I could find myself fumbling a bit. The communication I was lacking, so I wanted someone who could guide me to get a better knowledge on how to uh, communicate with different people. So it happened like I was searching for a guide, and fortunately, I found your page, which was sponsored. So I just thought of giving it a chance, and I gave a call. So that's what.
Great, thank you so much. So now I want you to tell the viewers, Puneet, that how was your journey with this Avalokan NLP workshop? Now, guys, everybody, I want to tell you that Avalokan is a workshop which is a personality development workshop, basically, which is done on a psychological level, language level, and body language level, which Puneet understood. And actually, Puneet also did not understood that well. He only understood that he needs these outcomes that I told him. So he always knew the results that he wanted from Avalokan, and he joined. So now, Puneet, I want you to share the experience of before joining the Avalokan and after you are done with the Avalokan workshop.
Uh, it started well. In fact, I was not knowing much about what Avalokan was programming was all about. The moment it started, in the first lecture itself, uh, I tried to get to know about the course. And the moment it went along, I came to know that it's not only learning about how to communicate. It also is a course where you can get yourself a clear picture, like how to be how to be very much into the different things, like how to communicate, how to keep your body postures. There are different aspects which were taught to me, and gradually I started to know about this programming, and the journey was really great,
So,
and
Puneet,
I could feel myself the difference.
I actually want you to tell the viewers what are benefits could you you could get after the Avalokan workshop. वो जो checklist
Benefit.
जो checklist आपकी tick mark हुई, let them know what all you found after this Avalokan workshop.
There were plenty of checklists which I had prepared before joining Avalokan. So basically, it was like communicating well. To I was getting stuck in between while giving a talk or while communicating with anyone for that matter. Then I was not getting clarity in my thoughts, which hampered my goal setting. Uh, these three were the basic issues which I was facing. In fact, I would say like this was the biggest challenge which I was going through during my professional career. So the moment I started with the course, it certainly happened that the the things were explained to me in a more precise way. How to communicate, um, how to keep your thoughts while communicating with unknown guy or unknown people, and how to put uh, important points so that he how to persuade, in fact. So that helped me a lot, and there were many other things like keeping your postures correct, keeping your um, I mean the sight should be clear. So these were the things which were taught to me, and certainly it helped me a lot. And the clarity wise, uh, I won't say it has gone completely, but I'm improving a lot. I could see myself before joining Avalokan. Now, who I am right now in front of you.
Actually, Puneet, I want you to show them, how were you before and how were you now? Because you were speaking so well now without any fillers. I actually want you to act out how Puneet used to speak before and now how is Puneet. Now, to everybody is listening, able to hear, hear you.
Yeah.
But how was Puneet before the class?
Um, there were plenty of fillers. Like basically, if I have to pass
Actually,
on the
act out.
simple message.
Ha, ha. Actually, act
Okay.
out that. When you're
If
saying
I
this
have
only. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. So, if I have to pass on the message, a simple message that my colleague has conveyed me to pass on to my boss. So I used to think a lot what to and without even thinking, I used to go to boss and give a vague answer, a vague message to him, which he was not even in a position to understand, due to which many a times I even heard many things which I shouldn't have heard. Um, the fillers, like I used to say like, sir, she has gone, now, and so this was the pause which I was taking. In fact, not a pause, but I was putting on more fillers in it, so the message wasn't clear, and due to which my boss was getting irritated with me. And due to this, um, I mean this was the previous me, which I uh, gave the message right now. But if I have to if someone says the same thing, and if I have to pass on the message to my boss, I would rather say that Miss Sima has given me a message that she won't be available today, and she will be on a leave, so she will be joining tomorrow. So this was the simple message which was supposed to be given, which I was fumbling a lot, and I was completely out of my mind, like how to go and convey this message.
Wonderful, Puneet. Yes, and that is so true. Guys, I want to tell you, everybody who's watching this video, that Puneet had a lot of blockages in his mind with a lot of with complete Avalokan and 1 to 2 therapies that I gave, especially the timeline therapy, which we did, which we went to his past and we came out of a problem that he had. And the drastic improvement that he showed after the timeline therapy. And now you can see that when he speaks, there are rarely, the fumbles are have become really rare, right? Which is okay. Even we fumble that much, even I do that much, but that the previously it was really abnormal, and now it is all so very well. Puneet, I am so proud when you're speaking it so well here today, because I tell you guys that he was really very nervous before this interview, and we both did not thought that he would be pulling it so well, and you are really pulling it really well, Puneet. Right? Good. I'm so proud of you. So now this is Avalokan, Puneet. You also opted for my English class. How, like, first of all, tell me, why did you opted for my English class, and then how did Avalokan plus English, both the courses, helped you overall in your speaking skills?
For me, this was a proper amalgamation of the technique and the grammar which I was supposed to be using, or which I will be using. So Avalokan has taught me different technique, like how to apply it while communicating. Uh, to avoid fumbling, you just need to prepare yourself. Uh, you need to prepare your bullets so that you can uh, start uh, start giving your speech on the bullets, the short bullets. It shouldn't be more. Now, once you are ready with your bullets, it should be in a proper grammatic. I mean, it should reach to the listener in a better way. And for that, I wanted to brush up my communication skill, which I learned long time back. So there were some things missing. So for that reason, I had also opted for the English classes as well. So that has cleared many other doubts which I was not even knowing, and which was, which was hard for the teachers during schooling days to to be taught to many other students.
Thank you so much. So this was about Puneet. So Puneet joined Avalokan plus English coaching, and today you see the result here. That the way he speaks in English, the way he is putting out his thought. And guys, I tell you one thing. I'll tell you a secret. Today we actually, with this interview, we practice his listening skills, right? Because it was a challenge that this is going to be recorded, and everybody, please believe us, that is the first recording. This is going live, and this has been directly published in front of you, and he did not know what questions I'm going to ask. Even I did not even I haven't prepared any questions, and therefore you can see that even I'm fumbling when I'm speaking, because it's all spontaneous. He's being spontaneous, I'm being spontaneous here, and you're seeing this recording done completely spontaneous. Puneet before could not utter a single sentence with clarity of thought, but now this interview, that is, I think that it is like 10 minutes that we are talking, and you could see how he pulled up. I am really proud of you, Puneet. You have made me proud by speaking this well, and I really want to appreciate you on this video only because now you are there to fly. And I know you have been my first student who opted for Avalokan and English both, and I'm so happy to see the results. It was wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much, Puneet, and God bless you in your future endeavors. And I hope you are going to be connected with me, of course, because I don't leave my students, and hope my students also don't leave me, right? And lastly, if you want to say anything to the viewers, or that you want to recommend them something, over to you, and then we will close this interview. Over to you, Puneet.
The last thing I would like to tell the viewers, that if you have something, if you want to do, if you want to excel in your life, you just need to start. You just need to take a step. One step will clear all your doubts, and try to communicate with the people who are there in this industry. So, ma'am, I think she was the correct person whom I chose. And the plenty of doubts which I was having, those has been cleared in, I would say, in a month or so. But still, I am learning it. And see, I also would like to add on to this, like, there is no age for you to learn. The moment you thought of learning something new, that's the point, and that's the time where you can start your journey. So I would rather recommend you this course. uh, just try with it, and I will definitely guarantee you that you will get a clear picture in your mind, like how good this Avalokan course will be. And I would always look upon ma'am for more of the courses which she will be preparing, and I will definitely would like to join her, and without any second thought. So that's all I would like to say. And I would finally I would like to say, tell you that please give it a try, and I guarantee you it will be a worth of every penny which you will be spending. And thank you, ma'am, for making me this person which I am facing the camera, which I was very shy, and I never thought of this day before. So thanks for building the confidence in me, and I would always be thankful to you for all the teaching you have given me. Thank you. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
So happy. Right hand up, turn your hand, pat yourself. Let's do it together. Wow, great interview. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.